Happy coincidences are always welcome, like my sunshine nails with the arrival of the orange blossom die set. That was a sign enough for me to create with these. Today, let's see how we can take our layered die cuts to the next level using embossing powders. I'm using colored cardstock from Altnew and die cutting all the elements to create the orange blossoms from this set. Now I am going to use my Wow embossing powders and tools to take them to the next level. Applying ink with the mixed media brush and sprinkling two shades of orange, I am able to create a nice textured look. I go in with the embossing pen for more details and continue embossing. Adding the different embossing powders and creating this textured dimensional look makes these oranges so realistic. When embossing in such a way is what gives it that realistic look instead of just applying embossing powder all over. And that's why details like this take it to a next level. I'm using two shades, tarnished brass and Turkish coffee, to emboss the branches, and I'm also adding the green on the leaves to give it a hint of nice golden shimmer. Putting all these elements together, I have created a round mixed media canvas here with a nice wood grain textured background, perfect for summer home decor. Hope you like this.